Hello guys, this is Shiva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to detect spike, how to know the exact area spike will be occurring from. So if you are excited and want to see me do that, make sure you stick to this video, stay tuned to the end, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't done that. A beginner or a pro, this video is for you. It's for both the beginners and the pro. So if you know you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful content like this, you get notified immediately. So with that out of the way, just sit tight and enjoy how the video plays out.